Welcome friends, welcome to the new lecture of electric charges and field, lecture number 3. Today's topic is permittivity and relative permittivity. Please remember the Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law. Charles Augustin Coulomb states what? Force is directly proportional to product of charges and force is directly inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Remember or not? So by combining these two, F is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. If we multiply a constant here, then we can equalize the two. This is what? Proportionality constant, which varies from different medium to different medium, which varies. Our today's topic will based on this K. From this K, we will deduce permittivity and relative permittivity. So let's begin. First, we will consider permittivity. We will first understand permittivity. Then we will consider relative permittivity. So permittivity. Permittivity once. Permittivity means which permits. But it is one of the antonym of permits. I will make you understood that this one is the Q1 charge, this is the Q2 charge, and separated by a distance R. What is the force according to Coulomb's law? K Q1 Q2 by R square. What is K? K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon. This is not E, this is epsilon. Q1 Q2 by R square. This epsilon varies from different medium to different medium. If we only consider the air, then we consider epsilon as epsilon naught, which is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. Remember the value. This one is important. Then this E is called the permittivity. Then sorry, there is one mistake. This should not be. This is the value of K, not the force. If force will come, then Q1 Q2 by R square into K. This K is 1 by 4 pi epsilon. Epsilon means permittivity, which is our topic. And this value in air, we generally consider it as E naught, which is equal to 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 Coulomb square per Newton meter square. This one is the important value. Remember this. Then, so F is equal to Q1 Q2 by R square 1 by 4 pi epsilon. So from this equation, we can consider that if we decrease the permittivity, then force will increase. True or wrong? True. If we will increase the permittivity, then force will decrease. But the definition of permittivity says that what? It permits, generally the crowd will understand that this will permit the particles of the substance to increase the force. But what happens? It allows particles in order to decrease the force. If we increase permittivity, then force will decrease. If we decrease permittivity, then force will increase. True or false? If we F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. This one is in the denominator. If denominator will increase, then the force will decrease. As you know it from lower classes. So when epsilon will decrease, force will increase. When epsilon will increase, force will decrease. Force is equal to 1 by 4 epsilon Q1 Q2 by R square. This one is in the denominator. So when denominator will increase, force will decrease. When denominator will decrease, force will increase. So rather we can say that the crowd will say that if epsilon means what? Permittivity. Permittivity means it will permits the particles of the medium to increase the force. It is increasing? No, it is decreasing. Epsilon will increase. If epsilon will increase, then force will decrease. So rather we can say that the definition is it allows its particles in order to decrease the force. It allows its particles in order to decrease the force, not to increase the force. Permittivity means it permits, but not permits the medium of the particles to increase the force. It permits the medium of the particles to decrease, not to increase. So when the force is maximum, permittivity will be epsilon, permittivity will be minimum. When the force is minimum, permittivity will be maximum. Understood or not? If force will increase, permittivity will decrease. Feel it. If force will increase, permittivity will be decrease. If force will decrease, permittivity will be increase. The minimum value of permittivity is in air, which is equal to 8.854. I have told it later. 8.854 into 10 to the minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. It is in medium is air. This one is the minimum value. So in air or free space, force is what? High. Epsilon means permittivity will be minimum and force will increase. एयर में और फ्री स्पेस में फोर्स ज़्यादा रहता है अगर हम कंपेयर कर ले अगर मीडियम से. एप्सिलॉन नॉट इज लेस देन एप्सिलॉन मीडियम मीन्स permittivity of air or free space is less than permittivity of any medium. It may be liquid, solid, any medium, maybe oil, any medium. So force this side force will be, permittivity is less, so force will be more. F naught is greater than F medium. If we keep a Q1 and Q charge in vacuum, then force between them will be large as compared to when we keep Q1 and Q2 in a medium like oil or water, then the force will be low as compared to when we will keep in medium. Understood or not? So feel है कि नहीं? If force will increase, permittivity will be decrease. If permittivity will increase, force will decrease. Feel it, so that you can solve any question at any time. Then coming towards relative permittivity. Then what is the meaning of relative permittivity? Relative means comparison. Relative means what? Comparison. If you compared your marks with the marks of a good student, then that is relative. In 11th class you might have read relative velocity. You are comparing the velocity of one medium or one object with respect to another medium. Like that, this is relative permittivity. It says what? The ratio or the comparison between permittivity of medium with the permittivity of what? Air. What is the value of E naught? Permittivity of air 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square for Newton meter square. I am telling this again and again so that you can remember this. This is one of the important value. Remember this. So we can write that ER means relativity permittivity. This is the symbol of relativity permittivity. Is saying what? EM, permittivity of medium with ratio of permittivity of medium by the permittivity of free space or vacuum. In India, we generally consider free space as vacuum, and the value of value of E naught in free space as well as in air or vacuum is same. We are taking as same, but they are slightly different. We are taking as same. So what is the value of ER? EM by E naught. ER is what? Relativity permittivity. What is EM? Permittivity in medium. This is what? Permittivity of air or free space or vacuum. Vacuum. This was understood. You can write that if we multiply this ER into E naught is equal to EM. ER is what? Relative permittivity. E naught is what? Relative permittivity of relative permittivity not permittivity of air, which is value is 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Remember this important value, and is equal to EM, permittivity of medium. So we can tell that permittivity of medium means the relativity permittivity is the number of times of permittivity of air. देखो अगर हम देखें relativity permittivity of air is, let relativity permittivity of any medium is 5. Then relativity permittivity is equal according to the formula EM is equal by E naught. Understanding? ER value is what? 5 is equal to EM by E naught. Then what is the value of EM? Means permittivity of medium is what? Is equal to 5 E naught. This is multiplies, cross multiplication. This. Understood? So EM is equal to 5 E naught. This 5. What is the value of 5? Means 5 denotes what? ER. ER is what? Relativity permittivity. So we can tell, we can consider that, or we can finalize that relativity permittivity is the number of times the permittivity of air. Means how many times the permittivity of air is the permittivity of medium. Means EM we can write permittivity of medium is equal to permittivity, relative permittivity into permittivity of air. What is the value of permittivity of air? 8. Remember this important. 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Remember the SI unit also. फिल आया कि नहीं? रिलेटिविटी परमिटिविटी क्या है? ये एक वैल्यू है और कंपैरिजन है जो मीन्स द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स. हियर द वैल्यू इज 5. सो 5 टाइम्स द वैल्यू ऑफ रिलेटिविटी परमिटिविटी ऑफ एयर इज द परमिटिविटी ऑफ मीडियम. मीन्स कितना गुना एयर से ज़्यादा है परमिटिविटी ऑफ मीडियम. Then we will deduce the relationship between force and means force and relativity permittivity. Force in vacuum is what? Let two charges be Q1 and Q2. 1/4 pi epsilon naught permittivity of air. Value is 8.854 into 10 to the minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Q1 Q2 by r square. Distance here. Then what will the force in medium? If I will keep the Q1 and Q2 charge in a medium may be in liquid. What is the force? 1/4 pi epsilon Q1 Q2 by r square. Dividing these two equations, F naught means force in air by force in medium is equal to कट जाएगा, 1/4 कट जाएगा, यहाँ पर 1/4 कट जाएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. व्हाट विल बी रिमेनिंग? ई मीडियम बाय ई नॉट. व्हाट इज ई मीडियम बाय ई नॉट? ई आर. व्हाट इज द formula of relative permittivity? Permittivity of medium with by permittivity of air. So we can write F naught by F medium is equal to relative permittivity. So today what we have read, I am highlighting the lecture. Permittivity of medium is always greater than permittivity of air. Permittivity of air is what? 8.854 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. That one is the minimum value. So force in maximum is vacuum or free space, and force from this we have concluded that force of air will be more than force of any medium. What is relativity permittivity? Permittivity of medium by permittivity of air. और फिल में क्या हुआ? Relative permittivity states that how many times the permittivity of medium is greater than permittivity of air. So we have deduced the relationship between relativity permittivity and force. Relativity permittivity is equal to force in medium by force in air. This lecture contains this much of contents. So in the next lecture we will go through some important and magic numericals by using this concept. Thank you. पढ़ते रहें. All the best.